So what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing how is the iPhone 6 camera quality. Well, iPhone 6 in India nowadays is available for as less as 9,000 Indian rupees to approximately around 11 to 12,000 Indian rupees. So again, this is a killer deal, and also you're not at all getting a chunky smartphone here. The iPhone 6 is one of the slimmest smartphones on the planet, and it really looks pretty slippery even in hands. So I prefer you guys, if you're buying it, to definitely use a case with it. Again, it has only one single camera at the back, not dual camera setup or even not a triple camera setup, and that camera is also not of a 12 megapixel, that is of 8 megapixels. And again, Apple's always, megapixel count doesn't matter, but its video quality is always impressive. And just I'm going to be showing you a small footage. As you can see now, this entire video is shot on the iPhone 6, and that you can see I have done, just nothing is there. I have just locked the focus. So as you can see, whenever I take the camera back, you can see that everything looks a bit blurred. As you can see of the dry leaves as well. When I take the camera closer, there are all of the details, and when I take the camera away from it, it just focuses it betterly. And I just want to tell like this, even to tap to focus, you can see I'm tapping here and I'm tapping there, and even after that, it really balances pretty well, and it has great zoom also. So I really it's pretty average, you can say, the zooming capacity. Overall, the smartphone is little bit slippery. I'm telling you frankly that I have been using the iPhone 6 before quite few months, and just I liked it, but it was a lot slipperier. And also the focal length, again in the camera department, its focus is pretty great. It takes quite a good amount of macro shots, wide angle shots. It is hard to get a perfect wide angle from it, but it's best for micro shots. Again, few Android competitors are better than this photography even, but again, you are looking at an iPhone, and that as well a pretty old device at this point, and you really make it appreciate. You can say appreciate that even after the smartphone being approximately 5 to 6 years old up to this point, still it performs like a champion. And as you can see, just everything does not at all look like it's an old smartphone. Again, as you can see, the macro shot which I took, it is a pretty small lemon. As you can see, it is a very small branch of the lemon, and it has done a pretty nice job in the close-up shot. And just expecting a lot from the small lens is not actually great, but again, if you'll see physically, it's a very tiny little sensor, and just this tiny sensor does so much better. It's definitely appreciated. It's definitely not going to be as bad as my camera or any other camera up to this point, but again, for a smartphone kind of perspective, or for any person who just have an iPhone or any other Android phone and wants to get their hands on the iOS ecosystem, if you have never used an Apple product, well, if you want to have your first hand on iOS, well, definitely you can buy this iPhone for that purpose as well. And again, if you want a secondary device, which takes quite nice photographs and everything, it's definitely one of the great. And even if you are like a small YouTuber and you want to start your YouTube channel, again, just getting a small little cheap monopod and just taking beautiful videos on this smartphone as well will be of great quality. And again, like you cannot shoot like 4K quality with this, but again, for 1080p, definitely the footage is appreciated. And I would just want to say that it doesn't only also matter that you need that monopod for this reason. Again, this is one of the bestest smartphone to go for, and you will be definitely appreciated, and you will be happy to buy this smartphone. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video. And guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, peace.